Hey guys, John with Tech Reviews 919, where there's no problems, just situations. I'm going to show you a quick video on something I found recently looking at cloud storage. I think it's pretty cool. May work for some, may not work for others, but I like it. Check it out.
No problems, just situations.
Alright guys, let's get into it. So the other day on a live show we were discussing different ways to do your cloud storage, etc., etc. This is not what we were talking about. However, I want to give a shout out to Cam B. She's pretty cool. Um, I also want to give a shout out to MS7. This is what we call multi-cloud. I'm going to go over it real quick. It's pretty cool. I like it. You can group all your cloud storage options together, so you don't have to jump around from web page to web page or from account to account. Um, you got different pricing options. Of course, the free plan only it gives you 30 gigabytes of transfer a month. Um, you, I believe you can use as many accounts as you want. I don't see a limitation uh, that I've seen yet, but you have your paid options if you need something more. Again, this is just an option, free option. Don't need the haters, but it's got a bunch of different features. Some of them I don't even understand because I don't utilize that type of stuff, but a lot of you guys do. But this is all the different drives that cloud you can implement in here. So all you got to do is sign up. I've already done so, and this is the what you start out with, and it keeps track of your transfer. You can upgrade at any time, and they are running a special if for some reason you would like this and use it more. It's $19 a month, and it's unlimited data traffic, uh, eight synchronization modes, etc., etc. But that's just what's popping up right now. I figured I'd show it to you. But real quick, you can add your accounts. So you got any one of these accounts, you can add them. It's got a lot of ones that I've used: Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, Box. You've got Google Photos, MediaFire. Um, it's got Put.io. Sorry, uh, Evernote. I know different people use different things. So yeah, so I've got a few of these. So and multiple accounts for Google especially. So you can select which one you want to add, and then you basically name it what you want. Google Drive 1, add, and then you basically use your login credentials, allow, and there you go. It's going to add it, and then there it is. It shows up, and then you can add another one. Let's do another drop. Let's do another Google Drive. Google Drive 2. You can name it anything you want. We'll do another drive, allow, and it's going to add that one. And I don't think there's a limit, but I've already put 3 or 4 on here, and you can go back and forth. You can transfer files from each account. You can edit at any time. You can rename it any time. You can remove it at any time, and then this will give you your properties, etc. You can leave notes. Pretty cool. I don't have to jump around to all my different storage devices and move things around. You have all these different options. You can download from here. You can share it. Uh, you can do all kinds of stuff. It's got different encryption. I haven't tried that yet, but pretty cool. I'm not going to drag this out, but this was just a quick video to show you this option. I'm definitely going to use it because I hate jumping from Google accounts. I do also have Dropbox, mainly for Firelink, that I haven't touched in a while. But this is definitely a cool option if you use a lot of free, not just free, but paid as well. But if you use it, this is a great option for putting it all together so you don't have to jump around. You may have another solution that works for you, but I thought this was pretty cool, so I did the quick video. So thanks for watching. Please like, this video, subscribe to my channel, and please share. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscriptions for YouTube. I would appreciate any support. And if anybody has any questions for me, anything that I have knowledge of, which I have a vast knowledge of different types of things, shoot me a message and I'll be glad to help you guys out. Until next time, have a good week.
No problems, just situations.